In front of me is Nokia C31, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this device. First of all, go into Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Now you need to install this free app from this developer, DevCheck device and system info from Flare 2. When your app is ready, open it. Now thanks to it, you can learn all the informations about your devices, dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Bye!